Thank you for your interest in our project. You'll be joining us today from on board the Sea Rescue Copter. Crazy, ungodly hour early at dawn's first light to try to simulate a nighttime rescue, but still being able to see what the hell's going on. You're looking from a visible spectrum camera facing forward on the craft. In the foreground, you will notice the infrared camera kind of dangling, trying to keep its orientation directly on the ground. The idea is to spot and identify a human. So have a good flight, and we'll see you when you land. Good luck. Okay, nice flight. Now we're gonna go save somebody with this very high-tech flotation device we're gonna drop to them in their desperate need. Here we define the borders of any disaster field. We have predefined our thermal camera setup. At a flight altitude of 20 meters, and the camera's field of view of 51 degrees, we get roughly a bit over 20 by 20 meter ground shot from the thermal camera. We space the thermal captures at every 20 meters ground distance, giving us sufficient overlap to catch all area. This process creates a list of waypoints and camera trigger commands that we load to the copter.
Now the magic begins. At the start of the mission, a MATLAB script is run on a continuous loop, waiting for incoming images from the copter. It analyzes each image in real time and alerts the ground operator of detected people below. The ground operator then has the ability to drop a life support package at his or her discretion to a person in need.
Saved.
Yeah, there we go.
What's this?
You ready to save some lives?
Sea rescue.
We're gonna save some lives.
Hey, the life you save may be your own.
Is this for yourself?
That was good.
Yeah, so when it's slower?
Ready?
Ready. Okay, wait, why don't you get out there too?
Yeah, sure.
You ready, Chris?
Yep.
Who likes drone? Either me or you?
You ready?
Wah wah.
Should be fine. Like I didn't say anything like damage. Yeah, it's because it's run like this, so it's I think still only like this kind of car.
Should be funny, guy.
Yeah.
One more famous last word.
I'm curious what the voltage is on there now, because that would be our pretty much limit.
Oh, this thing's heavy now.
'But we
11.3.
flag like 3 or 4 times or 5, 6 or times.
That was pretty good missions right there.
Oh, I got a bent leg.
Bent leg?
Yeah, bent leg. Is that it? Pretty tough there, drone.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's safe now. Nothing happened.
Like even if they are in the low like voltage, they landing.
Yeah, it did
Yeah.
soften its land.
Okay, do you need the bike? Are we gonna do something?
That's probably it.
That's probably
I
it.
think crash landing is a good end for any.
And I need a Raspberry Pi.